Hello, I'm Mohammed Umar, and this is CS50 Harvard University Introduction to Computer Science project number 8, CS50 Finance, which is a web application that allows you to buy and sell stocks on the US stock market. And let's register for a new account. As you might notice that there is a JavaScript for password matching here, and let's register. Oops, username is not available. Let me try another username, like this, and successfully registered. First, let me quote a Tesla share price, Tesla, quote. Tesla share would cost you $654. Let me try to buy 10 of them, Tesla, gain, 10, buy, and successfully bought. Now I've bought 10 shares of Tesla. Let me try to sell half of them, sell. Here's a drop down menu to choose the stock you wanna sell. Let me sell 5 and successfully sold. Let me take a look at the history. In the history, you have a detailed information about every single transaction you've done here, like the symbol name, the amount of shares you sell or buy price, and the transaction date and time. And the settings here you can change either your username or your password. And here is a link in the footer linked to my LinkedIn profile. And that's it. Hope you like it, and thank you for watching.